If you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. अगर आप पावरफुल बनना चाहते हो तो अपने आप को एजुकेट करो. इतना तो आसान है. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy in your home. In previous video lecture, we have discussed the important parallels of latitude. And that one is from the chapter Globe Latitude and Longitude. If you have not seen that video, then check out the description box. Link is given below, or you may click on I button for it. Now, in this video lecture, we will discuss about the heat zones of the earth, and this one will be our third part. So let's start. Our new topic, and that one is heat zones of the earth. Okay, so let's start with our different zones. So our first zone, there are three types of zones. So the first zone is Torrid Zone, second one is Temperate Zone, then third is your Frigid Zone. Okay, so let's start with little bit detail. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the Torrid Zone. So let's start. Torrid Zone. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat and is called the Torrid Zone. So the feature of this Torrid Zone is, first of all, the location of this Torrid Zone. So Torrid Zone, it lies between, here is the Torrid Zone, yes, it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and between the Tropic of Capricorn. So this area is the Torrid Zone. Okay, then the degree lies between 23 degree half north and 23 degree half south. And about the sun rays, so direct vertical rays of the sun for the whole year, as Torrid Zone is just near to the equator, so that's why direct vertical rays of the sun this area receive. Now the position of the sun directly overhead once a year, and the temperature of the Torrid Zone is the hottest zone, as this is just near to the equator, so that's why this is the hottest zone. Now let's move on to the second zone, and that one is the Temperate Zone. So Temperate Zone, the midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude. Beyond the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of the Capricorn, the angle of the sun's rays goes on decreasing towards the pole. As such, the areas bounded by the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of the Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere have moderate temperatures. This is called Temperate Zone. So now, again, the feature of Temperate Zone. So first of all, we will talk about the location of Temperate Zone. So Temperate Zone, it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. So here is your Temperate Zone. Then this is in northern hemisphere. Now the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere. So here is the Temperate Zone. So it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Antarctic Circle, and secondly it lies between in Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. So northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Now let's see the degrees. So it lies between 23 degree half in north, here is 23 degree half, and 66 and half degree in north lies. So these 2 degrees. Then if we move towards the southern hemisphere, then again 23 degree half south and 66 degree half south. Okay, now about the sun rays. So slanting sun rays this area receive. Then move on to the position of the sun. So does not shine overhead and goes on decreasing as we move towards the pole. And the temperature of this area is moderate temperature. Okay, not very hottest zone and not extremely low. Okay, now we have our third zone, and that one is the frigid zone. So frigid zone, areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere are very cold. It is because here the sun does not rise much above the horizon. Therefore, its rays are always slanting and provide less heat. These are called frigid zone. So, the feature of the third zone, feature of the frigid zone is first of all the location. So, the frigid zone lies between Arctic Circle and the North Pole. Here, Arctic Circle and the North Pole, and here is your frigid zone. Then the second one is, the second location of the frigid zone is between Antarctic Circle and South Pole. Here is your frigid zone. Okay, now let's move on to the degree. So the degree of these two are, it lies between 66 and half degree north and 90 degree at North Pole. So here North Pole is at 90 degree and same with the South Pole 90 degree. So on another side 66 and half degree south and 90 degree south. Then move on to the sun rays. So the slanting sun rays, and it does not rise much above the horizon, and the temperature of these areas, frigid zone, is extremely low. So this is all about the zones. I'll be joining you in next lecture. You all were watching Edification Seeker, Improvement of Someone. If you like my video, then share with your friends, subscribe my channel, and yes, don't forget to hit bell icon for more videos. Till then, take very good care of yours. Stay home, stay safe. This side Kesha Kushwaha signing off. Bye-bye.